Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna tell you how to send an email using AWS Lambda, which is serverless. Here in this you can see the description, architecture, services used, working, output and the conclusion. Lambda is a serverless computing platform provided by Amazon Web Services. DynamoDB is a NoSQL database service also provided by AWS. To send emails from Lambda to DynamoDB emails, you need to use an email service like Amazon Simple Email Service (SES) or a third-party email service. You can then configure SES or a third-party email service to send emails to a specific email address, which should be the one associated with your DynamoDB table. Once you have the email service set up, you can use Lambda to trigger the email sending process. This can be done by writing the Lambda code that is triggered by an event, such as a new item being added to your DynamoDB table. Your Lambda function can then use the email services API to send the email to the specified email address, which will be saved as an item in your DynamoDB table. Overall, this process involves setting up an email service, configuring it to send emails to a specific email address associated with your DynamoDB table, and writing Lambda function that triggers the email sending process. So let's see the architecture. First of all, the user creates a table in the DynamoDB and adds items into the DynamoDB. The items in the DynamoDB are the email IDs. Then go to Lambda. In the Lambda, you have to write the code. The code for sending the email to the email addresses present in the DynamoDB table. This can be sent by using the AWS SES, Simple Email Service. So the services used are AWS Lambda, DynamoDB and SES. Lambda is a serverless computing service provided by AWS that lets you run your code without provisioning or managing services. DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database service provided by Amazon Web Services. It is designed to provide fast and predictable performance. Its seamless scalability. DynamoDB is a serverless database, which means that you don't need to provision or manage any servers, and it automatically scales up or down to handle the incoming traffic. This is a great choice for applications that require low latency, high performance, and data access. SES is a cloud-based email service provided by Amazon Web Services that enables businesses and developers to send and receive emails using a high scalable and reliable email platform. SES provides a simple, cost-effective way to send and receive email, whether it is marketing message, transactional message, or notifications. With AWS SES, you can send and receive email with your own email address, or you can use an Amazon provided email address. SES is designed to be highly scalable and reliable so that it can handle a high volume of email traffic without interruption. It is also designed to be flexible, allowing you to integrate it with other AWS services such as AWS Lambda and SNS, and with third-party applications. So working. First, we have to create a table in the DynamoDB and add the required items into the DynamoDB. Those are the email IDs to which we have to send the email from the Lambda. Then you have to write the Lambda code. After that, with the help of SES, we can send the emails. So guys, this is our AWS console. First, create a table in the DynamoDB. After creation of the table, add items into the DynamoDB. After adding the items, go to SES. SES is a simple email service. So here we have to verify the email IDs. So click on create identity, click on email address, give your email address and click on create identity. Since I have already created the identity, I am not doing it again. Then go to the lambda. So you have to write the lambda code. You have to write two functions. One function for sending the email and another function for handling it. For sending the email to the specific DynamoDB item. So when you test it, you'll get a response null. It means that the email is already sent. Now let's check our email. See, you got an email. This is a sample email. This is a test email sent from lambda. So this is the code we have in the lambda. This is a test email from the lambda. So here is this is a simple way for sending emails using lambda. So after writing the function, one function is for sending emails and other function is to send the email to the specific email in the DynamoDB table item with a specified body and subject. So this is the output. You will get an email like this. So conclusion, we are done with a simple AWS serverless project, serverless email sending using lambda. So here you can find the code for the GitHub for the lambda code. Thank you.